guys, and in today's video we're going to be making slime. In my last video that I tried to make, I made this one slime and it's very slimy at the bottom. So let's just wipe that extra activator off onto these pieces of cardboard that I ripped. RIP box. This is actually pretty cool. I kind of put two colors in it, trying to make it like earth slime, and it just turned out to be pretty cool. Ooh, Nanny, can we go get the stuff from upstairs, the saving foam?
Well, you can go get it. You know where it is. Right on the counter.
It is? I'm gonna have some fluffy slime. Okay, you guys stay right here. Okay, so I got it. Let's make some fluffy slime. Okay. Okay, no. Uh-oh. That was not a lot. Didn't give you a lot of glue, did it? Huh. Oh, all my glue is gone. Now you have the clear glue. There's only a little bit left. It's worth it if it's fluffy slime and it turns out, then it's worth it. Okay. All that's coming out is bubbles. So I'm going to close that. Okay. So mix that if it has any bubbles in it. Oh, I forgot to clean the bowl, so it's already turning into slime. Oh no, it's already turning into slime because I forgot to clean the bowl.
It's okay. Just keep going.
Oh, my
What else
hands.
do you have to do to it?
You have to put the saving foam in and then put in the activator.
Then shake the foam and spray some in.
Yeah, it's not a lot.
Did you shake it? Okay, now.
Ooh.
Is it coming out?
Yep. Oh, see this. Oh. Kind of smells like hairspray. It smells like hairspray. Oh. Don't do what I just did. Don't do that, because then your hands will smell like hairspray for the rest of your life. I'm just kidding. I'm honestly just kidding. I'm just really happy that I can actually make this into... Oh, crap. I forgot the most important. It smells like bug spray. I'm going to make pink fluffy slime. Or should I make green? Because I don't have green slime. I'll make green then. And I'll get lots of it. Because I don't have a green slime yet. Oh. Oh. Oh no. No, get in there. Get in there. Yep. Honestly, I love this. Oh crap, it's already turned into slime. A little bit. Don't forget to put the activator. Oh, that's so fluffy. Okay, I'm not gonna make it super duper duper not. I'm gonna add like that many drops of activator, and I'm just gonna mix. I'm just gonna mix now. Mix 97 with the... Sorry. It's so fluffy. I am honestly happy with myself. I am super happy with this. I love this. This is amazing. This is so fluffy, guys. I love this. It's just, I wish the color came through more. But whatever. I have fluffy slime, y'all. This is so super duper fluffy. I love this. Okay, we gotta put it in its container. Oh my god. I love this. Oh my god. I love that slime. Let's check on the one that I did earlier. That's what happens to my slimes that I make. Well, we have one container left, and we have a little bit of glue. So why don't we just make some more fluffy slime? And I think I'll put this slime in here because we don't have that much and we want it to look like it's like a lot. So I guess we'll just put this slime in there and then we'll put the fluffy slime in here. Okay, new bowl because I'm not cleaning that one right now. A-lee-da-lee-hee, a-la-da-da-hoo, a-la-da-da-ha. Sorry, I had to. Aww, that was not a lot. That was literally not a lot. It's not a lot. I need to use my other chopsticks. Okay, I'm gonna color it quickly. What color should I make this fluffy slime? I think I'll make this fluffy slime pink. Because last time I made mine green in the pink bowl, so I think I'll make it pink in the green bowl. Okay. Not that much. Just enough. Okay, it's not that fluffy. Elbow grease and glue it. It's already turning into slime. It barely even needs any activator. Probably needs like 4 drops. I put 5, but whatever. And then you need that until it is. This feels like chewed up gum. Okay. Straight up gum. But if I put it down, look like that, and I'll put that there, and I add more. Activator. I'm gonna grab this, take that little bit off. Mix that in. Mix that in. This feels like heaven. This is amazing. I love fluffy slime. Woo! I love fluffy slime. Okay, it doesn't look like that much. You know what? Whatever. Doesn't look like that much. I don't care. It's fluffy slime. Now we have a huge fluffy slime and a small fluffy slime. I just wish this came out so that I would have more. I just get glue on my. I did. No. No! Dried. There we go. I'm gonna leave those right there. Oh, now you come out. This is my life now. Okay, just stop. You need help. You need help, y'all. Take, dip it in the pink. And stir. This one is also going to be fluffy slime. Splinter. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna say this now. I really hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Why won't this paint go in like very subtly? Okay, I need lots of it. Okay. Boom. Way too much. But okay. That like just made the slime white. So guys, really hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.